Nala the doggy, why are you eating food? Are you hungry or something? You're eating a lot of food. Why are you eating food? Does everybody need to eat food? I never ate food before. Food is weird. I've never eaten it before. Why are you eating food, huh? Tell me why you're eating food. You're already almost done, Nala. The doggy. Are you going to eat a piggy next? Because you are like non-stop eating that food. You're almost done with it already, Nala the doggy. Just look. You're almost done with it. See? Like, must eat. Oh, I'm all done. Yeah. Nala the doggy. How are you finished that quick? That's crazy. Wow, everybody. Nala the doggy is one very fast eater. Why are you pushing that bowl? Now the doggy is pushing a bowl. I don't know why. Oh, now the doggy's done eating. Okay. Now the doggy, why are you still licking that bowl? Oh well, goodbye.